Hi guys, Dr. Eilbra here. In this video we will be talking about allergies, what foods you should avoid, and what foods, vitamins, and an essential mineral you should incorporate into your diet and lifestyle to eliminate your allergy symptoms once and for all. Now, allergies is a condition in which the immune system responds to a foreign substance, and that could be from dust, from pollen, certain foods, and also chemicals found in cleaning supplies, laundry detergents, and personal hygiene products. Now, in an allergic reaction, cells in our bodies called mast cells and basophils release a compound called histamine that triggers the allergic symptoms of itchy eyes, watery eyes, runny nose, sneezing, coughing, mucus production in the back of the throat, mucus production in the nasal cavity, sinus congestion, sinus pressure, and even that throbbing headache. Now, there are foods that you want to avoid or minimize in your diet because they increase the release of histamine in the body. And that would be alcohol, caffeine, sugar, dairy, artificial sweeteners, and also processed foods. Foods that you should incorporate more of in your diet would be fruits and vegetables, particularly those that contain quercetin, which is a polyphenol that has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant properties, thereby reducing the release of histamine in the body and thereby decreasing allergy symptoms. And these would be found in radishes, citrus fruits such as oranges and lemons, dill, fennel, grapes, just to name a few. Foods that you should also incorporate into your diet and lifestyle would be honey, turmeric, ginger, and garlic because they have anti-inflammatory properties, also reduce the release of histamine in the body. And also teas like green tea, rooibos tea. There's also medicinal plants that you can incorporate such as butterbur, stinging nettle. Vitamins that you should incorporate include vitamin A, called retinol. Not only is it great in eye health, but it also helps support the immune system. The daily requirement of vitamin A in men is 900 micrograms daily, and for women it's 700 micrograms a day. Vitamin A is also found in carrots, spinach, and broccoli. There's also vitamin C called ascorbic acid. Now, you won't overdose yourself on vitamin C because it is water soluble. So you can take as much as vitamin C as you want, and is found in lots of fruits and vegetables like lemons and oranges. There's vitamin D, where we obtain from sunlight or through supplements. Now, there are two types of supplements. There's the over-the-counter supplements that range about 800 to 2,000 international units daily. And then there's the prescription vitamin D. There's two types. There's the ergocalciferol, which is a green capsule, and then there's the cholecalciferol, which is a vitamin D3. That is a white capsule, both of which are 50,000 international units daily taken once a week. Now, the prescription vitamin D are for those that are significantly deficient in vitamin D and just need a replenishment. And an essential mineral that you should incorporate would be zinc. The daily requirement for men is 11 milligrams daily, and for women it's 8 milligrams daily. Zinc can also be found in foods like pumpkin seeds, avocado, banana. So go ahead and try to incorporate these foods, vitamins, and this essential mineral called zinc into your diet and lifestyle. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments below. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.